One of the things I've said, I think, to you all over and over again is that instead of shaping yourself to fit the world, is that you want to shape the world in your image. I am so pleased that you have had a vision here of beauty and of strength and of resilience. So I want to read you a poem. The poem is actually a song. May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rung. May you stay forever young. May you grow to be righteous. May you grow up to be true. May you grow up to know the truth and see the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous, stand upright, and be strong. May you stay forever young. May your hands always be busy. May your feet always be swift. May you have a strong foundation when the winds of changes shift. May your heart always be joyful. May your song always be sung. May you stay forever young.